You were not supposed to end 2025 like this. If people think you've fallen off, good, because 2026 is the year you erase every failure and launch the greatest comeback of your life. You feel the weight of wasted time, months lost to distraction, days lost to lust, nights lost to scrolling. You've been operating below your potential, and you know it. But in 2026, you either take control or you become another forgettable story. Step 1. The Exile Protocol. 90 days of strategic disappearance. Not running away, rebuilding. Cut the noise. Delete the useless. Pick one mission, one direction, one obsession. The world doesn't need to hear you. They need to feel your return. Step 2. The 6 to 9 a.m. dominance window. This is where comebacks are engineered. Wake with intention, sunlight, hydration, movement. Attack your hardest task before the world wakes. No dopamine, no scrolling. This hour rewires you from weak to unbreakable. Step 3. Discomfort conditioning. You don't rise through comfort. You rise through controlled suffering, cold exposure, early workouts, studying when your mind resists. Every time you lean into pain, you build a new identity. The man who does what others avoid. Step 4. The dopamine reset. Cut cheap dopamine. Scrolling, junk entertainment, porn. Pair it with fasting. Control what you consume. Control what you crave. A man who can't control desire is already defeated. A man who can becomes unstoppable. Step 5. Identity upgrade. This is the final switch. Turn your past pain into fuel. Build your body. Sharpen your skills. Study relentlessly. Become the man who finishes everything he starts. Comebacks aren't built on motivation. They're built on identity. And your is about to change forever. Your comeback begins now.